hi to all the creative people. I hope you guys are doing well. Winters have almost arrived and we feel quite cozy in our own corners. Today is one of that days when I feel a little lazy, and I hope you would have guessed what we are going to work today from the cover of the video. So yes, let's simply dive in. Okay, to start with, I will show you what I have done. So I have used a new sketchbook of mine, so I thought that I will start a new sketchbook with this series, and I plan to make many doodles in coming days on this sketchbook. This is again from Anupam. You will see it here, and this is a quite beautiful sketchbook. It basically comes like this, and it is a Oxford Premium sketchbook. It's basically for doodling only, but I have used some watercolors as well, and they work quite fine for me. It's only 160 GSM. Paper is thin, but let's see. It has quite a hard cover and has a spiral binding, which makes it quite easy for me when I have to work upon spreads or even turn around my pages. So this is the start of my page. I was not feeling quite innovative enough, so I have left this page and I'll fill it later. This is what I thought of creating, and I was like, from past few days, quite ambitious, or ambitious is the wrong word maybe, was quite feeling like creating these cute animals. So this is what I actually did. So I've personalized this with my name, and this is the opposite spread of it. So I have just added some fun elements to it, like I have used a pig hanging out of a branch. I know this is not possible, but this is just my random cute little thoughts, and that's why I have written ye karke dikhao. And then I've used a cola and again some words. This is my cute little bear. I feel like this today, all sleeping. Okay, hello winter. And then I've added some words over here. किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने, because that's what popped into my mind. Then this is a cute little sheep, a meerkat, a dog. I've tried to give it a winter feel by adding a reindeer. Okay, so this is what my spread looks like, and today we are going to learn how I have created these cute little creatures. So I will always suggest that you should not be very stubborn about creating the exact shapes or something that even exist. I mean, you can go ahead and prepare anything that even doesn't exist. If you see this corner, it is something like it's just from my memory. I have seen some cartoons like that, so maybe this is from there. So you don't need to prepare the characters which actually even exist. So you can just start doing anything that feel gives you happiness. Doodling is all about when you start working on a piece while you are working or while you are on a phone call. So I usually have such rough sheets with me, and so these are my graphic pencils. So these are from Sign Youth, and these are wooden graphite pencils, and I really love them. So they come in all the thickness of these leads. Sorry, I just wanted to say that there's no wood over here, so these all are gravity pencils, all graphite. That's why you can see it's directly leaving mark on my hands. Let's start understanding how I create these small doodles. So for example, I want to work upon some bird character. So I'll do a small R&D on my Pinterest, and I like if what shapes I like in the birds. Let's say I like something like this. Okay, so I will try to break this down into simpler shapes. So if I see, basically this is something like an oval, like a triangle, again a triangle, and a bigger triangle, rectangle. So now I have a basic idea of the shape of the bird, and now I will start breaking this down into a proper shape. So I feel like this is one shape. So this is how I have got that particular shape in place. Okay, so once I'm fine with it, I will once practice on this sheet, making a final output. When I feel confidence, I will again recreate this hair without any simpler shapes. So now I know this is what I have to do. I have come quite close, only this portion is what I need to take care again. So I'll redraw it. you will see, my shape has started becoming quite better than before. So the only thing you require to do is practice, practice and practice. And when I feel okay and fine, I start coloring them. I'm using my Camlin kit for this. This is what I basically use for all the doodles. Only one brush, that is what you need. And one tissue to soak in extra water. So as it was my winter bird, so I'm planning to have some blue background to it. Just go with a very light wash. Don't go very close to your bird. Okay, I generally don't work upon background first, but this is just my rough paper and I want to check out what colors I'm using, so that's why I just thought of giving a good contrast. So let me pick red for I generally leave some white spaces in between so that when my color dries, I will just have a wash of that color to give a dual color effect. This is what happens if your color is not dried properly. See how cute it looks. And maybe to add a personal touch, I might hang a leaf to give it that cuteness. it is dried, I'm going to add some triangles. Something cute. Okay, so to fill in these cute little doodles, I use some broken lines, some straight lines, some curvy lines, some geometrical shapes, some water droplet shapes, sometime crisscross hashtags. These generally make your doodles quite beautiful. My personal touch to it. Hope this video was interesting, and I tried to share as much as I know about doodles. Do share me your thoughts if I've left something, and how do you create your doodles. And all you need to do to become better is practice. Yes guys, it doesn't have any shortcut to learn anything in a day. So practice, practice, practice is what all you need. And the last, many of you have asked me what pens I use. So I basically use Artline pens. However, while working doodles, you do not require any particular pen. So any pen that has a good flow and suits your thickness level of the artwork, I think that is fine. However, you wanted to know my personal opinion, so I'm using Artline drawing system. Pigmented ink, water-based, water-resistant. This is acid-free and I'm using 0.8 thickness. Thank you.